Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. I hope everybody is having a blessed day. Today I am here to share with you another beautiful, simple but delicious, for this quarantine season. You are really going to enjoy it. So I am going to make a simple fried rice for you guys that will throw you off, guys. So as you can see, I have 2 cups of mandi rice right here. This is long grain basmati rice. Mandi rice, I love it so much. I have 2 cups here. I have my bacon right here. Normally I don't really use a lot of pork on my cooking, but I got this recipe from a friend and then she added a little bit, so I'm going to add it. And I have some hot dogs right here. Who's gonna say who cook hot dogs with rice? Me, I do. My friend added a hot dog. Hers was pork, but I changed it and I got some turkey hot dogs right here. So I'm going to add that as well. I have some mushroom right here. I have some red bell peppers or mixed peppers. And when you look at it here, I have diced celery, 1 onion, and on this side I have diced green onion. And with my seasoning, I have mustache, I have hot pepper powder that is going to give it like a little spicy flavor. And when you look at this here, I have a jollof spice. Guys, with this spice, you can get some from any African market near you. It's not only used for jollof spice, you can use it to cook rice, and trust me, it is very, very delicious. And when you look at this side, I have some salt right here that I'm going to use. And for those who are very curious about the mandi rice, this is the kind of mandi rice that I use right here. I love, love, love it. And I got it from Pete's Market. If you have Pete's Market or Shop and Save near you, they sell this rice over there. That's the only place they sell this rice, so you can get some over there as well. So guys, let's get into cooking. Alright guys, so now I have a clean bowl. So we're going to wash the peppers. I'm not going to use all of it. So I'm going to use just 2 of them. And I'm going to wash the mushroom as well. I'm going to wash the onion as well. Now I got my vegetable washed. I'm going to cut all of them into pieces. So I'm going to cut the meat first. So I'm going to fry the ingredients right here. So as you can see, I have coconut oil right here. This is what I am going to use. I am so in love with coconut oil these days. So I'm going to add some in there. Coconut oil is very healthy, especially for cooking. This is the best. So that is what I am going to use to make this recipe. Do not just wait until it melts and heat up. And then we are going to start frying our rice. Yeah. Now our oil is heated up. I am going to add the onion right here. So next I am going to add the sausage and the bacon. So that way it will give the rice more flavor. So we want to pre-cook it. We don't want it to deep fried. So that's what we want. So I'm going to also add the peppers right here. The mushroom. Give a very good stir. This rice is going to taste delicious, guys. When you try this recipe, you are going to email me and say, Bapa, it came out delicious and my family loved it. So now, guys, I'm going to add spring onion. I'm going to add the celery also. Really, you can see. I did a better comma. Nice recipe, very yummy. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my spice right here. And for my hot spice pepper powder, I'm going to add a half teaspoon of it. And of course, Miss Dash, I'm going to add a half teaspoon of Miss Dash on this side as well. And we're going to add a half teaspoon of salt to taste. Okay. It's smelling very yummy. As you guys can see, Ray Collington recipe. You can just stay home and just make it. Everyone can make it. It is so easy and very, very delicious. I'm gonna add the rice. Just 2 cups of rice. A very good stir. Guys, you have to smell this food. It's smelling really, really nice. 1 cup of water is 8 ounces. And that will cook the rice. And before, guys, make sure you taste the salt and make sure everything is well. Tastes good for you. Low medium heat, and you're gonna let it cook until the rice absorbs it, the water. Alright guys, so the rice has been cooking for about 7 minutes. So we are going to check and see how it is so far. I said the vapor smells really good, like you guys can tell right away. We're going to lower the heat. And then we are going to cover it so this rice will simmer and then it will be ready. So this is how we wanted it. And mandi rice, of course, always cook perfectly. No matter how you cook it, it always come out beautiful. So alright, so now our rice is finally done. So I am going to enjoy with my meat sauce that I made and also some salad on the side, you know, just to balance the carb. And also I have some avocado as well on the side that I really love. This is what we are going to enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Since you are home, I'm gonna recommend that you try and you share with your family and friends, and they are going to love this recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.